Today we'll be installing Torklift frame-mounted camper tie-downs, part number R3510. This part number is designed to be compatible with the Torklift SuperHitch and cannot be installed without it. Bolting directly to the SuperHitch, these tie-downs create the strongest mounting option possible for your truck bed camper. If you find this video helpful, consider leaving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off, make sure the two forwardmost nuts and washers are removed from the bolts attaching the hitch's side plates to the cross tube. Simply slide in the tie-down receiver into the opening on the cross tube and reinstall the nuts and lock washers. Torque down all the hardware. To use your tie-downs, slide an insert into the receiver and secure with the provided pin. Your Torklift tie-downs are now installed. You may now follow your SuperHitch instructions to finish its installation.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.